Just we changed the settings on the camera. Let's try this one again. Not sure who that is. Can you see any bushes going? Probably not. Woo! Well, that's a newspaper guy. Lucy is not happy. Ugh. Well, a piece of wood wasn't there earlier. Can't see nothing in the viewfinder. I don't think I can see the bushes shaking. Oh, yeah. Wind's coming out of south-southeast. According to my computer, most of that rattling is the people's plastic on the other side of the fence next door. Whoa. I'm pointing south right now. From my left shoulder, from diagonally between the mountains and directly behind us, so that's south-southeast. And lots of puddles, no visible damage. I'm going back in the house.